going on? I'm here with break number 2, full jumbo, random teams, team or owners list, team list, 25 in each. Dice roll, no snake eyes. Same dice roll for both. 5:05 p.m. Central Time. I do appreciate the quick fill. Dice says 9 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Salutrich on top. Parsons on bottom. That is 25 names. Hop over here. We're going 9. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Astros for Salutrich. Parsons, last spot mojo, rocking the halos. Congrats, brother. There you have it. I'll post this list up if you want to see it right now. Just put your pause. Definitely get that posted ASAP. We're done. Time is 5:06 p.m. Central Time. Good luck, everybody.